Let's dive into how it works. First, I open the editor, my creative playground, and click Apps, which is where all my extended tools live. I find the Zazzle app and pick the product I want to create a printable design for. Whether it's a t-shirt for merch or an invitation for a birthday party, I'll have end-to-end control here in the app. With the product selected, today it's an invitation for a birthday party. I chose a template that matches my vision and customize it until it fits the vibe I'm looking for. When everything looks just right, I hit send to print. The product checkout screen appears on Zazzle, where I finalize the details and confirm the order. No exporting, no re-uploading. The same works when I'm figuring out a merch design for my online store. When I'm ready with my design, I can just add it to a t-shirt layout by clicking on the print button, finalize it, and send to Zazzle. Whether I'm sharing, selling, or shipping to someone special, this is creation at the speed of thought.